Hello everyone. Start off by taking some stapler pins and then begin to arrange them as such. Make a pillar-like shape out of them and then fill in the gaps that are present. Put them horizontally and then vertically as such. And then slightly open it up in order to make it stay put. Now you should be left with a cubicle. Next, take a circular sheet of paper, fold it in half, and then keep it aside. Take a triangular red sheet of paper, fold the top edge, and then afterwards add a white circle to it at one end of it. Now, attach this to some white paper at the bottom, that is the semicircular paper, and then make Santa's face out of it. Let it bobble from side to side. Take a cup and then cut out the thick edge of it. Make a slit through it as such and then make a hole at the bottom and the side. Now add a thread through one of the sides and then bring the two together. Make a dinosaur out of it, add the teeth, the back and the tail and everything else in the middle. Next, we'll start off by taking a little bottle, remove the side plastic of the bottle, and then wrap it around with some paper. Then on either side of it, add wings to it and then add a star and add a little detailing to it as well. Add the top of a plane as well and then add the propeller on the front. Now let it move and move it around. Next, take a cup and then cut out a heart shape out of it as such. Make a tail shape as well to it and then do the same on the sides. After you cut it out, this is what it should look like. Flatten it out onto a flat surface. Now, color one half of it in red, add detailing to it, add eyes, and you should be left with a fish. Next, take a sheet of paper, fold it over horizontally over 2 times, and then afterwards make these markings on it, and then once you're done with this, cut it out. After you open it out, this is what it should look like. It should have multiple layers to it. Take a white sheet of paper and then add 2 circular shapes to it. We'll be making a snowman. We have added a Santa hat at the top. We've added a scarf in the middle. Add 2 stick-like shapes for the arms. Then take a bottle cap, add clay on one end of it, and then stick your snowman onto this and let it bobble. Next, take a square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally, then fold over either of the edge upwards. After this, make a snowflake onto your paper and then cut it out according to the shape. Once you open it out, it should look like a snowflake as such. Take an empty tissue roll and then afterwards wrap some paper around it. Take a blade, make 2 slits in it at the top. Now make a tree shape out of this, take some red clay, make little balls out of it and flatten it out. Afterwards, add this onto the brown sheet. Next, we'll be learning how to make this little butterfly shape. Start off with take a leaf and then color this in as such. After you begin to color this in, make sure that there is a slit in the middle, add little detailing to it and this will be how it looks. Next, take leaves and then afterwards begin to color it in different colors. As you can see, we are adding different designs to each of our leaves as such. Now we are making a ladybug-like design out of it and then we have added eyes to it as well. We've added different colors for the rest of our leaves. Next, take a leaf. We have chosen the color purple and then we are beginning to color all of it in with this. Now we've added a yellow center to this purple filling and then we're coloring the center in yellow as such. We've added a center to it of multiple dots. Next, we'll be taking some leaves and then take different markers in different colors and then begin to color them in different colors. We have chosen the color of our first leaf in purple and yellow and then the center will be in blue. Add multiple polka dots all around, add different areas to it and different patterns to it as well. Next, take this leaf and then color it in different colors as such. Add it in this shape and then take a white marker and then add it underneath it and line the base of it in yellow. Add multiple dots to it as such. Next, take these shells and then color them in white. Afterwards, add different designs to them. We have taken a yellow marker and then this is what we are doing out of them. After you have made your designs, add as many details to it as possible to make it aesthetically pleasing. Thank you for watching.